Hi children, let's learn about adjectives. An adjective is a describing word. Here are some examples of adding adjectives to sentences. There was a spider in the bathroom. Add some adjectives and it will be: there was a huge hairy spider in the bathroom. Huge and hairy are examples of adding adjectives. There was a slug in my kitchen. With some adjectives, you can say there was a slimy, sticky slug in my kitchen. I found a ladybird on a leaf. Add some adjectives and you can say I found a tiny ladybird on a big leaf. A butterfly flew into my house. Add some adjectives and say a beautiful blue butterfly flew into my house. The worm dug through the soil. With some adjectives, describe it as the wiggly pink worm dug through the soil. Now that you know how to use adjectives, create some amazing descriptions by adding 2 or more adjectives to your sentences. See you next time!